Holy mackerel. The shining star. I didn't even piece that together till just then, guys. Star Weaver. That is amazing. This is definitely not a coincidence that these things happen, even though they might look like coincidence. Okay, this is your assignment. Okay, you are a star weaver. You are a wish weaver. Let's call it a wish weaver as well, because, you know, wishcraft. You may be, you know, the beacon. Someone might throw a wish out there like, I wish I could meet the right people to network, or I wish I could meet that person that will just like be my confidant, and boom, automatically it gets sent to you, and you are sent on a path that brings these two people or two aspects together, right? I'm getting right now that heaven has sort of positioned you as a cosmic architect of that divine timing. And that is, wow. So you play as that divine. Are you the divine time in that instinct? Like in that aspect, I mean, like you bring in that, you play a role in divine timing is what I'm getting. You're woven in there somewhere, that's for sure. What I'm getting right now is that you sort of orchestrate soul contracts, paths that we're meant to cross, no matter whether it's a soul, well, each thing, whether it's a business thing or whether it might be something else, they're all soul contracts, right? Because it's the people. It's the people coming together. So you definitely bring together those paths that are meant to cross. And those little, you know, those little beacons of light, or those little threads of those destiny meetings, they create like marriages, business partnerships, even spiritual awakenings, and look, life altering, life changing connections. How powerful is that? How powerful is that? You are a beacon, man, almost like a freaking GPS. A GPS for the divine, a divine GPS. Maybe I should call this video that. It even goes